Welcome to KB School Education. So already before we discuss Unit 1, that is in the Unit 1 you have Peace and Harmony, and B reading is poem you have, and C reading you have another lesson, that is Grand Contest in the Forest. Now we are going to discuss about Unit 2, that is in the Unit 2 again you have A reading, B reading and C reading. So first our topic is Telangana, the pride of the nation. The pride of the people. A reading Telangana, the pride of the people, and B reading you have poem in the Bazaar of Hyderabad, and C reading you have Bommera Potana, the jewels of Telugu literature. So in the Unit 2 you have this A, B, C. These are the three lessons you have in the Unit 2. Now we are going to discuss about Telangana, the pride of the people. So now our topic is Unit 2, that is the Telangana, the pride of the people. First of all, I want to show you the pictures. Look at the following picture and we should discuss about the picture. See the first picture you have seen in the textbook. This is the first picture. We know that this is the Charminar. By seeing that picture, we can say that it is a Charminar. It was built by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, and it was built 400 years ago, and it height was 380 feet. And the second picture is, we can say that it is the Lambadi or Banjara dance. It was a famous dance for ST people. And the third picture you can say that it is called Swayambhumi temple, that is in Warangal. So these are the three pictures we are going to describe about it. Now we will go to our A reading. We will see what is there in that lesson. So how many characters are there in this lesson? You have three characters. In this. First character is Hari. Who is Hari? Hari is father. He is the father. And the second one is Kiran, his son. And sister Indu. These are the three characters, and one more is her mother. These are the four characters in this lesson, that is the Telangana, the pride of the people. So what is the meaning of pride? Pride means pleasure. Pride means pleasure. So now let me start our lesson. So Hari was sitting in the armchair and was reading the newspaper. Kiran, his son, observed the emotion appearing on his father's face. So what Hari is doing? Hari is sitting on the armchair, and just what he is doing? He is reading the newspaper. Suddenly his son entered in the house, and he saw his face, and what he have done? He has observed the face of his father. If suddenly something is wrong, our face expression will be changed. So like that only his son is also observing the face of his father. So Dad, what is the special in the news? Why are you so emotional? Kiran asked. What did Kiran ask to his father? Kiran asked his father, why you are so emotional? What is the special news in the newspaper? What is the special today in the newspaper? So what his father said? Today is a red letter day. So what day? Red letter day. Red letter day means important day. An important day. Children, red letter day means an important day. So the union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of the country. So what his father said? Today is a red letter day. So what the union government had declared? That 29th state of our country. Telangana declared as a 29th state of the country. So it took years for the government to take decisions. Many people sacrificed their lives for our state. We need to remember the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for separate Telangana state. Now we have our own state with own culture, Hari said. So actually what the people are doing? People are going to facing many problems because we are not getting the Telangana separated. So now the government has declared Telangana as a 29th state and they have separated our Telangana. So after that many people died to get this Telangana, but now the government has given us a separate Telangana. So Dad, please tell me more about it. Kiran request eagerly. So what his son have done, he is asking more information about Telangana. So dear child, the long lasting dream of the people has come true. So how you are going to say the long lasting dream has come true? Because many people have sacrificed their life. Because of that we got our Telangana as a separate state. So birth of a state has made our vision real. Now there are more chances for employment and inclusive development. Moreover, we can retrieve our culture, we can revive our language, Hari said. That is our language different, Kiran asked. So what did his son ask? He asked about our language. Is our language different from other languages, from other states? He asked like that. Now you turn the page and we see the next what is going on in this. So actually we have our 3 festivals we celebrated in our state 3 festivals. That is, the first one is Bonalu. So what did Kiran ask to his father? He asked about the special festivals of our state. So what are the 3 festivals of our state is? First one is Bonalu. We all know that Bonalu is our state festival. Batukamma and Pirla Panduga. These are our 3 state festivals of Telangana. So now, meanwhile, Hari said, Lakshmi coming. Now it's your mother tongue. She will let you know about our festivals, Hari said. We celebrated our festival with warmth and fervor. Bonalu is our festival. Is celebrated during Ashadam and thanks giving to the goddess Mahankali for fulfilling our wishes. So when Bonalu is celebrated during the month of Ashadam, we are going to celebrate and we offered Mahankali for fulfilling our wishes, and we prepare jaggery rice with milk, and we are going to put that ghatam in the pot and carry procession while singing. Then after that what we are going to do, we are going to offer this ghatam to the Mahankali. This is about Bonalu. The next part is Batukamma. So this is also is the second part, that is the state festival of our Telangana. So when we are going to celebrate this Batukamma, it is celebrated as a part of Dasara. Batukamma is a part of Dasara. Batukamma is a part of Dasara. So this festival we are going to prepare Batukamma. We are going to prepare Batukamma with beautiful flowers, that is Tangedu, Bunugu and Chamanti. From these flowers we are going to prepare the Batukamma, and women are going to folk dance, sing in our culture. Then after that we are going to take that Batukamma and immerse in the water or local tanks. So the next festival is Pirla Panduga. This Pirla Panduga is called as an Moharam also. We can say that it is called Moharam. So Moharam is celebrated in many parts of a state. It is a symbol of religious tolerance, and these Pirlu are also kept and it is also immersed in the local tanks. Our saris are famous worldwide, said Lakshmi. The saris of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very famous for this attractive pattern. So now come to the point of saris. That is, we can find in Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet is famous for attractive patterns. We can see all these kinds of saris in these states. Okay, now our weavers of Sirsilla produces saris that fit in matchboxes. So in Sirsilla we can see that the sari which is fit in the matchbox, we can see in Sirsilla. The wooden toys of Nirmal steal hearts of everyone. So in Nirmal we can find wooden toys. So whereas we have 2 Jataras, one is Sammakka and Saralamma Jatara. It is in Medaram, that is in Warangal. So Warangal is one of the biggest gathering in the world. So lakhs of people take part in it. Moreover, there are several places of attraction in our state. So we can say that these are the two Jataras, and there are more famous attractive places in our state. That is Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Sagar, Yadadri, Vemulavada, Allampur, Srirangapuram and Bhadrachalam are some of them. So these are the famous places of attraction in our state. Now you turn the page. The next is Nagarjuna Sagar. We visited museum and there are huge collections of antiquities. Antiquities means things that are old and very valuable. We can see in that. And Salarjung Museum is one of the 3 national museums which has antiquities and portraits collected by single person. So portrait means paintings. And we visited Golconda also. In that Bhakta Ramadasu was imprisoned in Golconda Fort. Not only that, our great poets contributed to our rich culture. That is Bambara Potana. Bhagavatam is known for its literature fragrance. Kancharla Gopanna, known as Bhakta Ramadasu, and made our literature great with his Kirtanas. Mallaganta Suri, Kaloji, Narayana Rao, Dashrati Rangacharulu, Dashrati Krishnamacharlu. These are the 3 jewels of Telangana. And who said all these words? It was said by Lakshmi. Who is Lakshmi here? Lakshmi is her mother. So Ogatti is a very popular folk dance, singing, praising and narrating the story of Mallanna, Birappa and Ellamma. These are the 3 poets in our state. So it is high time for us to remember our great personality who dedicated their life for Telangana. So in the beginning also I said that many people have sacrificed their life. We should remember them. So, and there are many temples that was built in our state. So now these are the glossary of Telangana. See, emotion, excitement, red letter day, a very important day. So already when I am explaining the lesson, I told you that red letter day means a very important day. Dialect means a form of language. So you can say it is a form of language. Fete means public celebration. So we are going to celebrate in the public. So immerse means to put into water. What we are going to do at the time of Batkama, we are going to immerse that Batkama into the water. Weaver means one who is going to make clothes. Antiquities, things that are old and valuables. So we are going where means musical museums. In that places we are going to find the old instruments that are antiquities. And portrait. Portrait means a painting. So we can say that it is called as a portrait. It means it is a painting. So these are the glossary of Telangana. So I want to tell you one thing for you. So when we are going to start the lesson, that time first when you are reading the lesson, you underline each and every hard word. Every hard word you should underline and find the meanings from that lesson. Is it clear, children? Now I am going to explain you the here some statements are given here. State whether the following statement are true or false. Correct the false statement. What they are saying here? Bonalu is celebrated as a part of Dasara. So what I told you? Bonalu is celebrated as a part of Dasara. No, it is not the part of Dasara. So in the month of Ashadam, we are going to celebrate it. Okay now. So we can say that it is called as false statement. So the Ghatam are immersed in the local tanks and ponds. So Ghatams are immersed in front of Mahankali, not in the lakes and ponds. So you can say that it is called as a false statement. Sircilla weavers produce excellent sarees with attractive patterns. Not Sircilla are going to show this attractive produce pattern. Narayanpet, Gadwal and Pochampalli. So you can say that it is called false. Peerla Panduga is a symbol of religious tolerance. Yes, it is true statement. We can see a large number of antiquities in the Salarjung Museum. Yes. So already just now I told you antiquities means that is, you can say that it is the things that are old and valuable. So you can find this old and valuable in the Salarjung Museum. Now turn the page. So here they are saying that read the following statement focusing on underlined word. Jubilant, popular, attractive. So after this they have given to complete this adjectives in the given box. So what you are going to say? Squirrels are attractive animals. So you can choose these squirrels are attractive animals, and so everyone like them. They are found in different colors. They are found in different colors. They are small but cannot move very fast. They eat nuts, fruits, and sometimes sing. They are flatlets because they cannot only jump short distance. Most of them live in three holes. They even store their food there. So you can say that these are the fill in the blanks. These are the adjectives given here. So here some editing is also given in the grammar part. Now turn the page. We can see here, read the following passage. There is error in this. So what you are going to say? Lakshmi was reading a storybook sitting off the train. It is not off. You should write in the train. In a train. So it were very interesting. Not were. It was given was. You should write was. The story was about Anne Wiseman, not A Wiseman. Here A article should be given. Anne is given, but you should write A article there. Just then an old man came there. He was able to carry his luggage, not luggages. Here you are going to use singular, not plural. He asking Lakshmi father. He asked Lakshmi father. You should not use asking. Can you please help me? He helped the old man. Who is he helped here? Lakshmi's father helped the old man. So now in the writing part, they have given you the conversation. So write a conversation between you and your friend. They are saying us to select. Place select from the visit. It importance need a visit. So your friend and you both are there. From both of you, just you plan you are going for picnic. Your headmaster is going to take you to the picnic. So which place you are like to go, when you are going, what you should take, the details you should write the conversation between you and your friend. If you like this video, like, share and comment.